Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You must have your policy number and the phone or email linked to your SBI account ready. Once logged into Yono, authenticate with OTP so you can reach the insurance section. This prevents session timeouts. If a technical error appears, capture a screenshot and note the error text. This saves time with support. Make sure app and OS are updated and clear cached data before retrying. These initial actions reduce false failures and start the cancellation process now. If the app throws a technical error during cancellation, try the same steps on SBI Net Banking. Sometimes Webflow bypasses app bugs. You should retry after clearing app cache or reinstalling the app and then attempt cancellation again. This often resolves session-based faults. If the error persists, call SBI Insurance Support and quote the error text, or schedule a branch visit with your documents. Give the screenshot and policy details to expedite processing. After support accepts your cancellation, obtain the reference number or written confirmation. You need this to verify completion. Make sure you check for pro rata premium refunds and that no future debits occur. Monitor your account for 7-14 days. If the cancellation still fails due to the same technical error, escalate using the incident ID to the nodal officer or grievance cell. Keep timelines and screenshots handy, because escalation forces a manual backend reversal or policy termination and closes the loop.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.